Hello students, in this video we will be continuing with the word problems. The first one we have difference between 3/5 of Raman's present age and his age 4 years ago is 0. Now in the first and second sentence both the things are having the base as Raman's present age. So what we have to do here is and find his age after 5 years means अगेन प्रेजेंट एज से 5 years लेटर यानी हर जगह हमें प्रेजेंट एज से कंपैरिजन दे रहा है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक x as or the variable as is present age of Raman. Let Raman's present age be x years. Difference between 3/5 of Raman's age. Raman's age is x. 3/5 of Raman's age will be 3/5x. Difference between 3/5 of Raman's present age and his age 4 years ago. So this is 3/5 of Raman's age. And his age age 4 years ago will be x minus 4. 4 years ago 4 साल पहले. So x minus 4 years. Difference between these two is 0. So 3/5x minus x minus 4 equals to 0. Now to solve this 3/5x minus this bracket is x minus 4. this bracket में ये change हो जाएगा minus x plus 4 equals to 0. So plus 4 will be taken to the other side. 3/5 of x minus x equals to 4 will go on the other side. It will become 0 minus 4. Now adding these two or subtracting these two, LCM is 5. So 3x upon 5 minus 5x upon 5 equals to 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 3x minus 5x. 3 minus 5 minus negative number is greater, so it will be minus 2x upon 5 equals to minus 4. So minus 2x equals to minus 4 into 5 and minus 2x equals to minus 4 into 5 is minus 20. Minus 2 will be taken to the other side. Now here minus 2 is multiplied to x, so it will not be subtraction will not change to addition because here operation is multiplication. Operation change hoga and operation is multiplication, so it will be divided and minus sign will go with the number 2. This will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 10s are, therefore x equals to 10. So his present age we have taken as x. Raman's present age is x, so he is 10 years old now. And they have asked find his age after 5 years. This is not the final answer because they have asked the age 5 years later. Therefore his age or Raman's age after 5 years equals to 50 years. Next question. The ratio of the ages of Ram and Gopal is 3/4. 3:4. So Ram to Gopal ratio is 3:4, that is 3/4. The difference between their ages is 10 years. When the ratio is given, we take the common multiple as x. Let the common multiple be x or any variable. Therefore, Ram's age is 3x and Gopal's age is 4x. So, the difference between these two, this is the greater one because it is 4x. 4x minus 3x equals to 10. Difference is 10 years. Therefore, 4x minus 3x equals to 10. 4x minus 3x is equals to x equals to 10. Ram's age is 3x. So, Ram's age 3x means 3 into 10 because x is 10. So, that is 30 years. And Gopal's age 4x, that is 4 into 10, that is 40 years. The next one, the breadth of a rectangular park is 5/6 of its length. In this case, see, breadth is compared to the length. In one example, length was compared to the breadth, so we took breadth as x. Here we have to take length as x. So first let's take that. Let the length be x. Unit here is meter. So therefore, breadth, length is x, breadth of rectangular park is 5/6 of length. 5/6 of length means length we have taken as x. So it will be 5x/6 meter. This is the breadth. Now, next thing given is Suresh takes 2 rounds around the park and covers distance 1540 meter. Now they have not given the perimeter directly. They have given that a person is taking 2 rounds of the park. And in that 2 rounds, he has covered 1540 meter. So, Suresh takes 2 rounds and covers a distance of 1540 meter. Therefore, when taking 2 rounds, the distance is 1540 meter. Perimeter is half of this, or we can write distance covered is equals to perimeter into 2, because he has taken 2 rounds. Distance covered is 1540 p into 2. So therefore 1540 upon 2 equals to p. Therefore p equals to, we can do this cancellation. Seven, 0. Perimeter is 770 meter. Now we have got the perimeter, we have the length and breadth. Formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus P. Perimeter is 770 into, and the length is x, breadth is 5x/6. So 5x/6. Now we can add this and we can take this 2 on this side. So 770 upon 2 equals, so this is multiplication, so here it will divide. x/1 plus 5x/6. LCM is 6 here, and we can do the cancellation at this stage. So this is 3 8 and 5. So 385 equals to, LCM is 6, so we'll multiply this by 6, so 6x/6 plus 5x/6. So 385 equals to 6x plus 5x is 11x upon 6. 6 is multiplied here, so it will it is dividing here, so on this side it will divide multiply. 385 into 6 equals to at the same time we can take 11 here. 11 is multiplying with x, so on this side it will divide. So 6, it was in division, we have taken for multiplication. 11 is in multiplication, so it will be dividing. So 385 can be divided by 11. 3s are and 5s are. 35 into 6 equals to x, therefore x equals to 210 meter. X is the length, so therefore length is 210 meter and breadth 5 upon 6 into x is 210. So breadth is 175 meter. Length is 210 and breadth is 175 meter. The next one is for your practice. So you can practice it, solve it and put it in the comment box. If any doubt you can put it there, we can solve it. The question given is the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 90 meter. It's an isosceles triangle, so two sides are equal. Perimeter is given 90 meter. If the length of the two equal sides is 3/4 of the length of the unequal side. Length of equal sides का comparison दिया है unequal side से. So unequal side को हमको लेना है variable x. So therefore this will be 3x upon 4 and this will also be 3x upon 4. And then you have to find the length of all these sides.